Most of them were very shocked with when the first one was installed. My name is James Toupee. I work in property management hobbies, traveling, furniture refinishing. I started noticing hair loss in around 2000, 2001. Initially joined the bandwagon of, head shaving. You start losing your hair. Most people, do the bald is beautiful thing and just live with it. Deciding to get a hair system now, you get tired of seeing yourself the same all the time. And I was doing some research and came across Superhairpieces and went through the website, did some looking around, some research, read some really good reviews, and it's relatively close to home, so I decided to give it a shot. With the installation of the first hairpiece, I was very excited and nervous at the same time. I wasn't sure what to expect, if it was going to look really good or if I was going to look like a crazy man with a wig on. But the installation was amazing. The service was very professional, and it was overall an incredible experience. I feel a lot younger, more confident, definitely, and it opens a whole different range of different styles that you can, pull off. Today I wanted a hairstyle that was longer. There's a few different hairstyles that I'm wanting to experiment with. I've got the little man bun thing on the go right now. But mainly I just wanted something a lot longer. I'm going to be on the beach, so I'm hoping that the photos from this vacation are going to look a lot more flattering than the last. For someone who's looking for the first time, I did a lot of research, and I've seen a lot of different, of course, once you start doing any type of research, ads start popping up on social media. The best reviews that I found were for Superhairpieces, and by far the best pricing for the better quality product. Everything was very professional, the service was amazing, and the end results are, for the second time, fantastic. Anyone who's looking for a hairpiece, male or female, if it's a hairpiece that you want, Superhairpieces is definitely the place to go.